Today I am reviewing reMarkable Essentials Bundle. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The reMarkable Essentials Bundle is one of the most unique productivity tools available today. It isn't just another tablet. It's a purpose-built device that redefines how we take notes, sketch ideas, and organize thoughts. This bundle brings together everything you need to turn your note-taking and document review into a seamless, distraction-free experience. At the heart of this bundle is the reMarkable 2-paper tablet. Measuring just 4.7 millimeters thin, it's one of the slimmest tablets in the world. But it's not just thin. It's designed with a focus on something very rare in modern devices: the feel of real paper. The 10.3-inch black and white display uses a unique matte surface that makes writing feel natural. When you glide the Marker Plus pen across it, the texture mimics the friction of pen on paper. There's no glassy glare or distracting backlight, just a tactile experience that feels almost analog in a digital world. This paper-like display is perfect for anyone who wants to stay focused. The reMarkable doesn't have an app store, pop-up ads, or unnecessary notifications. Its stripped-down purpose means fewer distractions, allowing you to work deeply and clearly. Whether you're a student, professional, artist, or simply someone who loves handwritten notes, this device was designed to put your ideas first. The Marker Plus pen is another highlight of the bundle. This isn't just a stylus, it's a precision instrument. It features a built-in eraser, allowing you to erase mistakes just as you would with a pencil. The writing experience is smooth and responsive, and the bundle includes 9 spare marker tips to ensure consistent performance for years. Writing on the reMarkable feels different from any other digital tablet, and the Marker Plus plays a huge role in delivering that authentic paper-like sensation. The bundle also includes a premium Book Folio case in black leather. This isn't just a protective cover, it's a stylish accessory that elevates the overall experience. The folio keeps your tablet safe while providing a professional and refined look, making it perfect for business meetings, classrooms, or working on the go. What makes the reMarkable stand out is its capability to organize and enhance your productivity. You can create folders, tag notes, and sort them in ways that make retrieval effortless. You can write directly on PDFs, annotate documents, and instantly convert your handwritten notes to typed text. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for professionals, students, and creatives who want an organized digital workspace without clutter. The reMarkable's connectivity is also impressive. Through the Connect subscription, all your notes and documents are synced to the cloud. You can access them anywhere using the reMarkable apps for your phone or computer. This keeps your work in sync, so your ideas travel with you. The bundle includes a 1-year free Connect subscription, and all new customers get a 100-day trial to explore its features. Another feature worth mentioning is the tablet's battery life. The reMarkable delivers up to 2 weeks of usage on a single charge. This makes it perfect for long projects, travel, or meetings without constantly worrying about plugging it in. For people who work with documents, this tablet is a game changer. You can transfer Word documents and PowerPoint slides directly to the reMarkable, mark them up by hand, and then share them with colleagues instantly. It bridges the gap between the convenience of digital tools and the tactile satisfaction of handwriting. The reMarkable is also perfect for creative work. Whether you're sketching designs, jotting down ideas, or drafting storyboards, it offers an unmatched level of precision. The display's responsiveness, combined with the Marker Plus, gives you total control over your creative process. To sum it up, the reMarkable Essentials Bundle is more than just a digital tablet, it's a productivity revolution. It's about simplicity, focus, and craftsmanship. From its paper-like writing surface to its thoughtfully designed accessories, every detail is crafted to make your work effortless and enjoyable. If you want a device that helps you organize your thoughts, enhances your productivity, and feels as natural as paper, the reMarkable Essentials Bundle is worth every penny. It's an investment in focus, clarity, and creativity, and in a world filled with distractions, that's priceless.